In this video, we shall discuss on projection matrix. What is projection matrix? So a matrix is said to be a projection matrix if it is both idempotent and symmetric. You can write it out here. A matrix, say P, is a projection matrix if it is both idempotent and symmetric. So that is idempotent. We say when P, say P squared is equal to P, or we can write Px squared is equal to Px. So when the matrix satisfies I, we say symmetric. Say P transpose is equal to P, or Px transpose is equal to Px. So when the matrix satisfies these conditions, we can now say it is a projection matrix. Now we'll talk about this individually. So we'll move over to this side of the board. Idempotent. So we are the test for idempotency of a matrix. Remember we said P squared is equal to P, or Px squared is equal to Px. We said something like that. So we can just say let's say Px is equal to x into x transpose x inverse x transpose. So, like we said, Px squared is equal to Px. So we can say Px squared will be equal to x into x transpose x inverse x transpose multiplied by x transpose x inverse x transpose. So if you are multiplying this, we can have something like this: x into x transpose x inverse. This multiplied by this will have x transpose x. So bring this down: x transpose x and x transpose. See, this is what we get. This x transpose x, then x inverse. Of course, this and this can give us x transpose x inverse. We have identity x transpose, which is the same thing as x transpose x transpose, which is what we got earlier, which is what we have earlier here. So this is the same thing as Px. So we can conclusively write therefore Px squared is equal to x transpose x inverse x transpose, which is what we have initially, is the same thing as px. So when the matrix satisfies this, we say it is idempotent. We say the matrix is idempotent. So we have succeeded in testing for idempotency of a matrix. We can now test for symmetry of a matrix. So move over to this other side of the board to do that. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we'll write symmetric here. For symmetry, we said P transpose is equal to P. Or Px transpose is equal to Ps. So that's what we said. So we can also use the example we have there. We say, let's say Ps will be equal to x transpose x inverse multiplied by x transpose. So we will have our Px transpose or P transpose to be x into x transpose x inverse x transpose. So we just open these brackets to give us x transpose for this. To multiply this, we have x transpose x inverse transpose multiplied by x transpose. Now, we should also recall that we say both A transpose into transpose is equal to A. Also, we should note that A, or we use the exact example, we say x transpose x inverse transpose is equal to x transpose x transpose while the inverse will be out. So this one, the inverse is inside, it takes the place of transpose in this case. Here, the inverse is outside. So we'll apply this to what we have here. We move over to this other side of the board. So applying this here, we can write our Px transpose to be equal to, if we apply what we've gotten here, x transpose transpose, we just get x into, if we have this, we can put this down, into x transpose x. We have inverse here, so the transpose can come raised to the power of inverse multiplied by x transpose. Also, we should note that X transpose X transpose is the same thing as S transpose X. So that means that we can write this as X into X transpose X inverse X transpose, which is the same thing as X into X transpose X inverse multiplied by X transpose, which is the same thing as our PX. That is what we got earlier. That is what we have earlier. This is our PX. So we can now write, therefore, PX transpose can be equal to X transpose X inverse X transpose, which is the same thing as PX. We have also succeeded in showing the symmetry of a matrix. So, when a projection matrix satisfies these two conditions, we can say that that matrix is a projection matrix. That means when it is idempotent and when it is symmetric. So, for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.